Hello students, I am sure that all of you must be hale and hearty. Today the subject for discussion is narration. In fact, I am going to discuss grammar. It is very much essential for all the students studying English to know the important rules of grammar. Keeping this fact in view, I have decided to impart some important lessons of grammar. Narration is very important for all of you. You must know it. Narration denotes the method as to how we narrate a statement. There are two methods of narrating the statement of a speaker. One is direct method and another is indirect method. If I say, Ram says, I am ill, this is the direct method of narrating the statement. Therefore, it is direct narration or direct speech. If I say that Ram says that he is ill, this is indirect method. In this sentence, I am not narrating or quoting the actual statement of the speaker. Some changes have been made. It is indirect speech or indirect narration. Direct narration or direct speech can be converted into indirect speech or indirect narration with the help of some of the rules. First of all, you must know what is reporting verb and what is reported speech. In the sentence which I have stated just now, Ram says, this is reporting verb. I am ill, this is reported speech which always remains under inverted comma. Whenever we change direct narration into indirect narration, we change only the reported speech. Three types of changes are made. The first is change of person. The second is change of tense. And the third is change of sentence. One thing must be borne in mind, that inverted comma is not used in indirect speech while writing. Instead of inverted comma, we make use of that.